Hello all. This morning I just want to share with you how to restore your tool, little restoration of your tools after the fact that you have rust everywhere on it. So I was working last day on the rain, and we discover what rain did to my tools. Now I need to bring little restoration on it, because if I don't bring restoration, you see it's not looking good. It's not looking good because there's rust now everywhere on it. There's rust everywhere because of rain. So I need this one first. I need this one to clean the rust, and then I will add some silicone on it to prevent the rust to eat it, to continue to make its damage on my tools. And also I have this one that I need to add on it, and I will use this wire brush. It is metallic, just to brush it, to remove rust on it. But first of all, I need to remove all tools and put it here inside. So let me just throw this, just throw it inside this one, and I will cover it then, and I will shake it to remove all the rust on top of it, to remove all the rust. Okay, so the liquid is here. I already opened it. I don't need to put too much. And I need to close it. And those tools will be there inside. It's the only way to remove the rust on it. Of course, the color will change. This one is without rust, so I can put it here. This one also is without rust. So I will be shaking like this all the time to remove the rust on it. I cannot stay here with it because it is smelling very hard. I need to put it outside very fast. It is looking quite good already. I need to continue with it until all rust will be out. So at this level now, I need to use this wire brush, and I will try to clean everything. I will try to brush it, and I will let you know also when this one is clean. So at this stage, this one is already clean, as you can see it. I just need to leave it to be dry. So this one is enough now, and just need to leave it to be dry. Okay. Now it's more clean. So at this stage, I just need to leave it to be dry. Then I will try to add silicone on it. It's smelling very hard, so I don't want to stay close to it here because it's smelling very hard. So this is so as you can see now, this is without rust, but I will leave it dry. I will leave it to be dry maybe 3 or 4 days, and then I will add silicone on it. So at this stage, I think that is everything that I want to share with you this morning, and just need to wait for 3 or 4 days when it will be really dry, when everything will be really dry without any rust on it. Then I just try to put silicone on top of it to make it more shining again. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for another challenge. Bye. Have a nice day.